Gigantic spiderwebs on Mars are the next big target for NASA's Curiosity rover, the agency reveals. Curiosity has just finished the latest leg of its 12-year Mars mission, and it will now set out to explore miles of web-like surface features left behind by ancient water on the red planet. The zigzagging rocks could also provide clues about whether Mars once harbored extraterrestrial life. And this is the image brought to us by NASA, JPL-Caltech, University of Arizona. The ever-reliable Curiosity rover about to begin a new quest to study giant spiderwebs on Mars, the surface of Mars, after successfully concluding its previous mission. NASA announced about Mars, and these web-like rocks span for miles and may hold secrets about the red planet's watery past. Over the last year, Curiosity has been exploring Geddes valleys, a channel carved into the steep slopes of Mount Sharp at the heart of Gale Crater. During the stage of its 12-year mission on Mars, the rover made some important discoveries, including accidentally unveiling crystals of pure sulfur and finding wavy rocks left behind by an ancient lake. Mission scientists also first noticed a large hole in one of the rover's wheels as the wandering robot traversed this region's steep slopes. But the rover's time in Geddes valleys is about to come to a close. On November 18, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, released a final 360-degree selfie of the area taken by Curiosity as it prepared to head off on the next leg of its epic journey, which has already lasted a decade longer than initially expected. Curiosity's next target is the large collection of spiderweb surface features known as the boxwork, spanning between 6 and 12 miles across. This unusual patchwork of zigzagging rocks or boxwork deposits was first spotted decades ago, but has never been studied up close, according to JPL's statement. The web-like features should not be confused with the infamous spiders on Mars, the geological feature created when carbon dioxide ice on the planet's surface sublimates or turns into gas from a solid. Scientists recently recreated these stages featuring features on Earth for the first time. Boxwork deposits are also found in caves on Earth. They form when calcite-rich water fills gaps between rocks and hardens before eventually eroding away, creating thin blades of crystalline material protruding from rocky walls, similar to stalactites and stalagmites, according to the National Speleological Society. The best examples of this on our planet are found in Wind Cave National Park in South Dakota, according to the U.S. Geological Service. However, terrestrial boxwork features are never more than a few feet wide. Martian boxwork, which has been identified at several locations across the red planet, is believed to form via a similar process as terrestrial boxwork. However, instead of water dripping through the caves, the sprawling mineral veins were left behind by the last remnants of ancient mineral-rich lakes and oceans. Researchers hope that Curiosity will learn more about exactly how this happened and what it can tell us about Mars' watery past. Mission scientists are particularly interested in the minerals that make up these web-like structures because they could shed light on whether extraterrestrial life once existed on the red planet. These ridges will include minerals that crystallize underground, where it would have been warmer, with salty liquid water flowing through. Kristen Seebeck, Curiosity mission scientist at Rice University, Houston, who has been studying the area, said in a statement, "Early Earth microbes could have survived in a similar environment. That makes this an exciting place to explore." Curiosity will arrive at the boxwork at some point in 2025. And this is by Harry Baker on Live Science. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.